Hey friends, so I always make sure that before posting any video on this channel, I have to make sure that this video that I'm posting is really going to help you in one way or another. And right now I'm coming with these 6 websites that are really going to help you, and you can get real cash. But before that, I'm going to show you payment proof on how much can you really get on this website. On this website, you will be doing very simple tasks, and I'm pretty sure that most of these websites you have never heard before. So this is a payment status on this website. So as you can see here, all these are payment from this website, $10. All these are paid. Expect for these 2 which are still pending on the website. So let's dive in and see how we're going to start making money on this very trusted website. So let's go to this website number 1. So our very first website is called Userlytic, and for you to start making money on this platform, you have to go to this platform. Then on the top of this website, as you can see here, you have to click this place which is written as get paid to test, and you can write your necessary information like your name, your email. On this website, you'll be given a different task to test different products. It can be application testing, it can be website testing, but you just have to make sure that whatever you're choosing, it has to match your interest. So if you're going to choose application testing or website testing, you have to submit your opinion on how you feel about a certain website, how you feel about a certain application, and if you submit this opinion, you can get paid, and this website will send money right on your PayPal account or your bank account. So you don't have to go to this website which is called Userlytic, and a lot of people are making decent and reasonable amount of money just by testing this application and provide feedback on how do they feel about this application, on how do they feel about a certain website. So you really have to go there and start making money by doing a very simple task on the platform. Alright, so next on the list we have user testing, and this is among the most trusted website that you can get paid up to $500 just by doing a very simple task. So on this platform, you will be needed to share your opinion on how you feel about any product that you have experience with. So right after joining on this platform, user testing, you can get different tasks to perform. You can be asked to go to Amazon, and you have to navigate the whole website and explain how do you feel about a certain website. You have to record yourself. You can use the screen recording. So right after submitting this feedback, you can get paid. And the very good thing about user testing, you can get paid up to $120 just on the platform right after submitting different tasks that you have been given from the website. So you may want to go ahead and see how much you're going to make just by testing different products on the platform. Also on this platform, you can get interviewed to speak and answer about different products that you have already tested, and just by doing that you can get paid up to $120, $140. So you really have to go ahead and start performing this task, and you can get paid from this trusted website which is called user testing. So this one is the most recommended platform, and I really want you to go right now and start making money on the platform. So next website is called Userbrain. So if you're using Android or you're using iPhone, I think this one is for you. You can get paid up to $100 just by doing a very simple task, and this is what you'll be doing on this platform. So this platform, Userbrain, is going to pay you to test mobile applications to ensure that they are functioning as intended. And also on this website, you can test different websites and games to ensure an enjoyable experience. And all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called userbrain.com. Then you have to sign up, which usually takes like 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So right after signing up on this website, this platform will be sending you invitation emails for you to go ahead and participate in a different test. And just by doing that, you can get paid, and you can get paid up to $10 per one test on this platform, and your money will be sent on your bank account or your PayPal account. So I think this one is really good, and if you're interested, you may want to go ahead and start making money just by participating in a different tests on this platform. So I really recommend this one. So our last platform is called America Consumer Opinion, and this platform is going to pay you by testing new product and share your opinion. How do you feel about a certain or given product? You have to tell these companies on how you feel about their products. So by doing that, you can get paid. This is among the most trusted platform. As you can see here, this platform alone has already paid more than $35 million to all the Americans who are ready to share their opinion and get paid. So I think this one is a very trusted, and you can see there are a lot of active members right now, and they're making a reasonable amount of money by sharing their opinion. So you really have to go ahead and join to this website, and you can test new products and explain how do you feel about a given product. Just by doing that, you can get paid a reasonable amount of money. I've seen good reviews about this website. People, they say that they make up to $200 just by sharing an opinion on the platform. So all you want to do right now, you may want to go ahead and join on this platform and start making money. Hey, so I've mentioned more than 6 websites that are really going to pay you real cash just by sharing your thoughts on how do you feel about their products, and just by doing that you can get a reasonable amount of money. But before going forward and joining on this platform, it's better for you to read all these reviews on how people are talking about this website, because I always make sure that before go ahead and join on any website, it's really important for you to go ahead and read all these reviews on Reddit and Google, and you can see a lot of people how are talking about a certain website. So this is the most important thing for you to do before go ahead and join on any other website. So these websites are very trusted and are very legit. You can start making money right after joining on this platform, and at least all these websites are available to many countries all around the world. So you may want to go ahead and see if your country is available, and you can start making money just by providing your opinion and your thought on these platforms. So thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. I hope to see you next time.